2026 cruise market, the brutal truth. Imagine spending $4,000 on your dream vacation, only to find yourself trapped in what industry analysts now call a floating tourist trap. In 2026, the cruise industry has reached a breaking point. We are seeing record-breaking ship sizes, but for the first time, guest satisfaction scores are in free fall for some of the world's most famous brands. After analyzing over 100 internal satisfaction reports and current market trends, the verdict is undeniable. A global icon has just collapsed in our rankings due to aggressive monetization. Today, we are diving deep into the data. We'll rank the 3 lines you must avoid, the 4 best to book, and the 1 strategic mistake that could ruin your entire year. Number 3. MSC Cruises, the visual paradox. MSC builds undeniably the most beautiful ships at sea, from Swarovski-encrusted staircases to massive LED domes on the World Europa class. It is an Instagrammer's dream. But 2026 market data reveals a massive gap between look and feel. In recent surveys, MSC ranked dead last in dining satisfaction, scoring only 67% compared to an industry average of 89%. Why? The technical analysis shows a critical failure in their staffing-to-guest ratio. As MSC expanded their fleet, they didn't scale their service training at the same pace. On U.S. sailings, the cultural clash between European service pacing and American expectations has reached a boiling point. You are paying for a 5-star aesthetic, but often receiving 3-star logistics. Number 2. Costa Cruises, the aging fleet crisis. Costa is currently struggling with what we call operational inconsistency. While their newest flagships try to keep up with modern standards, a significant portion of their fleet is aging rapidly without the necessary reinvestment. In 2026, booking Costa is a high-stakes gamble. Internal maintenance logs and guest reports show a dramatic disparity in quality. If you aren't on their top 2 newest vessels, you are likely paying modern prices for a product that feels 2 decades old. The food quality has been standardized to a level that experts call industrial grade, losing the authentic Italian soul that once made this line famous. Number 1. Carnival, the crowding breaking point. Carnival's business model has shifted. They have perfected the budget entry strategy, but the cost to the passenger is your personal space. In 2026, Carnival ships are operating at 110% capacity more often than any other line. Market reports show a spike in onboard friction, a polite term for deck chair fights and elevator gridlock. By saturating every square inch with revenue-generating add-ons, Carnival has sacrificed the very thing that makes a vacation relaxing, the ability to breathe. If you aren't comfortable being in a constant crowd, Carnival is no longer a deal. It's a stress test. Number 4. Royal Caribbean, the logistics king. Despite having ships that carry over 6,000 passengers, Royal Caribbean remains a marvel of marine engineering. Their 2026 data shows they still lead the mega-ship category in crowd management. Their secret? A multi-billion-dollar investment in frictionless technology. From facial recognition boarding to an app that actually manages dining flow in real time. For families with teenagers, the value per dollar remains the highest in the world because of the sheer volume of included high-tech entertainment. They aren't just ships, they are highly optimized floating cities. Number 3. Celebrity Cruises, the premium pivot. Celebrity has made a brilliant move in 2026 by distancing itself from the amusement park trend. They have successfully captured the modern luxury segment, people who want the scale of a big ship but the soul of a boutique hotel. Technical reviews of their Edge-class ships show a focus on culinary architecture. They are currently outperforming traditional land-based luxury resorts in guest-to-chef ratios. For couples seeking a sophisticated, adult-centric vibe without the 6-figure price tag of ultra-luxury, Celebrity is the current market leader. Number 2. Virgin Voyages, the industry disruptor. Virgin Voyages has the highest Net Promoter Score in the industry for 2026. By removing the 3 biggest friction points in cruising, kids, buffets, and hidden fees, they've created a cult-like loyalty. From a market perspective, their all-inclusive transparency is a game changer. While other lines are busy nickel and diming guests for Wi-Fi and tips, Virgin includes them in the base fare. This leads to a psychologically better vacation where guests don't feel like a walking credit card. It is the smartest business model we've seen in 20 years. Number 1. Viking Ocean, the gold standard. Viking has achieved something nearly impossible: perfect consistency. Every ship in their fleet is identical, which has allowed them to master their supply chain and service standards to a degree their competitors can only dream of. In 2026, Viking remains the only line that refuses to compromise. No casinos, no kids, no selling on board. You are paying for silence, for curated culture, and for a crew-to-guest ratio that ensures you never have to ask for anything twice. It is widely considered by analysts as the most refined travel product on the water today.
The absolute most dangerous decision you can make in 2026? Booking Norwegian Cruise Line. This is the shock of the year. NCL, once a pioneer of freestyle cruising, has become the poster child for shrinkflation at sea. Their new Prima-class ships, while beautiful, have been criticized by marine architects for their poor flow and lack of public space. Market analysis shows NCL is aggressively converting free public areas into pay-to-access premium zones. The result is a tiered class system where standard passengers feel like second-class citizens. The theaters are intentionally built too small to force guests into bars and casinos. In 2026, NCL's strategy is clear: squeeze the maximum revenue per square foot, even if it breaks the guest experience. It is a betrayal of their loyal fan base. The cruise market in 2026 is no longer about finding the cheapest deal. It is about understanding which companies still value your experience over their quarterly earnings report. We want to hear from you. Have you felt the shrinkflation on your recent sailings? Is the crowding getting out of hand? Or have you found a hidden gem? Share your data in the comments below. Your voice is the only thing that keeps these companies honest. Subscribe to stay ahead of the 2027 ship launches. Cruise smart, stay safe.